Many developers dive straight into writing code, but great object-oriented design starts with identifying the right classes. Let's model a library system step by step. Start by identifying the core entities in your system. A library has 3 fundamental classes: book, which represents individual items in the collection; library, which manages the entire catalog and operations; and member or patron, who borrows and returns books. Think about the nouns in your problem statement. They often become your classes. Next, define what each class knows and does. The book class needs attributes like title, author, and ISBN, plus a status to track if it's available. The library class should have a collection of books and methods like checkout book, return book, and search by title or author. The member class stores the member's name, ID, and a list of currently borrowed books. Each class encapsulates its own data and behavior. Now model the relationships. The library has a one-to-many relationship with book. It contains many books. The member also has a relationship with book, representing items they've checked out. When a member checks out a book, the library updates the book status and adds it to the member's borrowed list. These relationships define how objects collaborate. Finally, consider extensions. Use inheritance with a base media item class if your library has books, DVDs, and magazines. Add practical features like due dates, late fees, and handling edge cases. What happens if a book is already checked out? Good designs anticipate real-world complexity without over-engineering from the start. Model your library with book, library, and member classes, define their responsibilities, connect them through relationships, and extend thoughtfully. Practice more object-oriented design patterns by subscribing and hitting the bell. Ready to practice for your next interview? Interview Mentor lets you answer real questions just like this one. After each answer, you get a detailed grade and personalized tips to improve. Watch your scores climb as you keep practicing.